This is Let's Talk Electrical in the city of Aba.
OJM, na them be electrical experts, yo.
So far, which electrical brand has earned your trust when it comes to, let's say, electrical wires, when it comes to sockets, when it comes to lightning and all of that? Which brand do you think has earned your trust so far?
Okay, with my experience in this field, we've come to trust and rely on when it comes to wires, Lagos Star cables,
Okay.
Commerce Star cables, and they're not having brands like Davis Star, C Star, and they have single cable and twin cables. These ones I mentioned are single cables. When it comes to twin, we have double king. These are the ones that have earned our trust over the years. People are buying it and no complaint. Reliable. When it comes to all these house wiring, both is it industrial or whatever, Commerce Star comes first. Lagos Star. We'll talk about Davis Star and all that.
All of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think at some point they have some adulterated version of them in the market?
This question is somehow because I can't really say. It's hard to find. It's hard to find. Before Lagos Star and Commerce Star, we have brands like Scan.
Okay.
But because of their high price of their cable is very, very costly. So now dive into Lagos. Not that it's not Lagos Star is cheap though, but it's way better, way lower than that Scan. Because in Aba, I can tell you for free that people in Aba are looking for cheap stuffs. Yes.
Okay, so what's the most expensive mistake you've seen electricians do when they come to buy materials, electrical materials?
One major one is when they come, they like to, do business, now. Like if they're in good relationship with the seller,
Yes.
they will be like, bro, this one is something like they do this for me.
Okay.
I don't have to say it to the camera somehow. So these are what they do. And another thing is somebody will know that he or she can't do this. You can't do this.
Yes.
But because you are saying that it will pay a lot of money, say let me go and do it with we say in Karamanya, use in Karamanya to go and do something I don't know how to do. Tomorrow it will backfire. They will not start blaming the brand and the seller. That's one mistake that they do.
Okay, and so what you're saying in essence is that anything you don't know how to do, don't take
do
a
it.
issue.
Yes.
So what was one product that people think is very expensive, and because it's expensive they don't go for it, but in the long run it will actually save them a lot in the long run if they eventually get it?
Yeah. Many of them in the market, like this Lagos Star we're talking about. People will come and you tell them like 1 mm Lagos Star is about 22,000 naira per coil, 1 mm. And they will be like, no, now what the two cost? When I'm buying it and I'm going to be needing like 20 coils for this building. Is there no other cheaper one that I can buy that can also serve? I'm not looking for other cheaper cables, which I wouldn't want to mention their names for the benefit of the viewers. So you have brands like itel. itel is coming up now. They have standing fan, ceiling fan, sockets, switches, bulbs, chargeables and all that. itel is okay, but recently now they are trying to hike their prices. And one thing with this brand is that when they come in, they will come in cheap. When they have now gained ground, they will now. This is very bad. But the one brand when it comes to electrical, that the one they are just stable and fine. Any day, anytime, trustworthy, you can get it is. They have AD socket and switches. I don't know, it's fine. Like I would have just shown AD socket and they have just been stable over the years. We have products like this, what do they call it, AKT products when it comes to solar and that. They are very good and reliable over the years. Those ones are okay. There are other commodities that are high, the prices are high though, but if you look at it based on the price, you might not be able to get it. And like I told you before, in Aba, people are looking for
Cheap things.
as in, how do I say it? They prefer quantity
Over quality.
Yes, that's just a simple way to put it.
Okay, so you made mention of people going for cheaper wires.
Wires, yes.
That cheaper wire they actually go for is safe to use.
They are safe to use, but what are you using it for?
Okay, that's the main question.
Yeah, that's the main question. You cannot go and buy 1.5, something that 1.5 Lagos Star will do. You not go and buy 1.5 another brand and use it. On the long run, it will backfire. Yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay, so I want you to complete this sentence for me. A good electrical installer should start with what?
A good electrical installer in this our line now, you start with number one is your record.
Okay. Yes, for the vendors now.
No, even the
The
installers.
installers.
Yes,
Okay.
because I before I give you if I give my client over to you to go and work for him or her, I must have seen or heard.
That you have
Most importantly, seen, not even heard, because I can hear other things. People will tell me other things, but it's the most important thing that I've seen you do, or have somebody reliable hand that you went through. Yeah. Because
you have to have a good record.
a good record is very important. Don't go and buy. There's a client that's disturbing me now on the phone. He bought Casa and generator power gen, and it's almost 450k. And now he has not used it for over a month that it has spoiled. Why? Because a wrong installer. He had, is it about 6 panels, but this man came and did the wrong connection. The panel inside the Casa gen got burnt. For 2 months, 450k, he's looking for a way to get a new one. If I knew the man's record, I wouldn't send him there. Now, this is the bad record for this one. Now, next time, I won't ever send them to
And
go.
do you think it will affect you as a person that referred him?
Definitely. Next time, they will be like, Oga, I came to your shop, on what but in this boy. You know, Igbo people, how they used to do.
Yes, bro. Thank you so much for your time. I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it.